Hi guys, it's Joyce. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious shrimp and pork rice. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see right now, I'm just melting out the butter. So as we're gonna melt out the butter right now, right, you see it right now, I'm just melting. I already pre-seasoned my meat, everything. This is all of the meat. I'm just using some pork and some shrimp. And there's the butter one more time. I'm gonna add in the pork, right? I'm adding in the pork, and I'm gonna make sure the pork is cooked like very well. Like you gotta make sure the pork is cooked. When I mean cook, I mean cook. So please make sure you cook your pork very well. As you see right now, I'm just staring. I'm literally just in here, just whipping that spoon around. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta like whip that thing around to make sure your food is good. It's thoroughly cooked in the motherfucking bitch. Okay, so as you see, I spent a lot of time in this, and we're just gonna cook it. But as that's cooking, I'm just give you guys. So right now, that's the shrimp, y'all. You know, I'm a shrimp head. I love shrimp. So we're just gonna add in our shrimp into the pork. So yeah, guys, I didn't actually take out the pork. I just added in because I'm lazy. I just came home from work, so I was just doing something quick for like lunch for the next day. So in my shrimp, as you all know, shrimp doesn't take a long time to cook. But me being lazy, I just didn't give a fuck. I don't give the fuck. Like we're just gonna do what we're gonna do right now. So I'm just cooking my shrimp with my pork again. Mine is on high. Gotta turn that joint back up to high heat. So we're cooking our shrimp. And I didn't take out the shrimp at all either. I just let it stay in here and then mix everything else together. So we're just gonna cook our shrimp for a couple of minutes. Just gonna cook everything for a couple of minutes, as you can clearly see cooking. But yeah, this shit smells so fucking good. Like I'm not even fucking playing. Like it just smells so amazing. Like sometimes I forget like I can actually cook. So when I do cook something different and something new, I'm like, okay, girl, you can whip it up in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying. We cook when we're bored and we're hungry. I mean, we're always hungry. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much all I did. I just did that. Yeah, you can add whatever you like to add into this. Like as I said, I was very lazy, so oh yeah, I'm adding my season now. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you guys what I used in this video, but that's some garlic powder right there. We're gonna add our seasoning in there. I use a lot of seasoning in this. I'm sorry, I'm just black, so I like my food properly seasoned. I'm sorry guys. As I said earlier, you don't need to go out to buy anything for this food. Like you can use whatever you have at home. Like it's cheap. You can use any seasoning. It's not in Pacific. It's nothing like use whatever you have at home. You gotta save up that coins. Like save that money up, bitches. Like you guys go set that shit up. You know. And then after we did all that, I'm probably still adding more seasoning in this bitch. Yep, still is. So after adding all the seasoning, as you guys gonna see, right? And then we're gonna stir this bitches off. Like we kind of whip that shit off. Gonna stir this bitch up. Oh damn! Oh yeah, that's black pepper, guys. I didn't realize how much seasoning adds in this motherfucker. Look, I really did add a lot of seasoning. But you see how good it look? It smells good. That's the rice. I cooked my rice when I was cooking this, when I was making everything. So we're gonna add in the rice right now. We're just adding in the rice. As I'm adding in the rice, I'm also like stirring it so it doesn't like get stuck to the bottom of the pot. So I'm trying to get everything in right now. So I'm just mixing, just to like make sure like the sauce, you know, it's on the rice, it's all through the rice. So we're just gonna stir it up for a little bit. At a point, I realized it wasn't that much sauce. Yep, add in the rest of the rice. I wasn't gonna use all the rice, but then I was like, why motherfucking not? Like, it's gonna sit for a day not to cook, so that's what I did right there. Add it in. After I did that, I'm gonna stir again. I'm gonna keep stirring. Oh, guys, I'm tiny, so everything is big for me. So we're gonna stir, and I'm gonna realize, okay, there's really not that much sauce in here with me. Oh yeah, I'm doing my dance. That means bitches. I'm doing my dance. So I'm gonna go add in some butter. I already added in the butter. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys through the. Didn't show you guys, but I added in some butter, and I'm just gonna mix that all together again. And then I'm gonna grab me my seasoning. This seasoning is called Maggie Cube, but if you're African, this is called chicken soup. I don't know, but it's called chicken soup. I'm African, like I'm Liberian, so you already know. It's got chicken soup. So we're gonna take one of those first. We're gonna break those out throughout the rice. After we do that, as you see what I'm doing right now, just do exactly that. Stir the food out. You're gonna stir everything. As I said again, stir everything. And then after you stir that right, you gotta make sure it's thoroughly stirred so it doesn't like just end up in one. It doesn't just be in one spot of your food, or else you're just gonna get like a slough of seasoning in your food. And who wants that? The motherfucking body. Nobody wants that. I'm sorry guys, that's not my favorite course word. I'm sorry, but nobody wants that. So yep, she's gonna stay. As I said, I'm very small, so it takes a minute for me to actually get through stirring things. So, and that's me doing my dance. That's my happy dance. That's my food dance right there. Yep, that shit's my fucking good. Yep, I'm so stupid, y'all. Okay, so we said we gonna. Okay, I didn't know I stir this much, so we stir a lot. Oh yeah, adding more seasoning to this batch. So as I said, got the kitchen, got that, mix that in there. I put a lot in there because I like my food a little bit spicier than usual than some people. So we're just gonna do that. I am that's onion powders, and I really didn't put onion in my food, so we gotta use that. And then yep, black pepper. So it's just pretty much the same seasoning that I used from earlier. That's just what we're doing right now. I really don't know what's that called, but you can get this from like the Asian store thing. That's where you can get that from. I just put in a little bit of that because I didn't want it too overly seasoned. So after we mix all of that in there, we're gonna stir that. Stir it up, 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 stir it up. Okay, back to the video. We're gonna stir that up a little for a good while. As you see, as I said, you don't want your seasoning in just one spot of your food. So please, please, please make sure that it's fully stirred up. We do that. That's how it look afterwards, and that just tastes so good and smell so fucking great. Like that's how it looked. Okay guys, thank you. Please comment, share, and subscribe.